It's little Kylie. Little Kylie. And I'm Leo Washburn. She came down. Came down with the aid of a couple treats, that is. She was like, yeah, I like it in my skybox. Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? Is it a treat? Is that a treat you got for me? Yes, I'll come down. I'll come down immediately. You eat with love. I think Kylie eats with love. You're very cute. You're very cute. Hi. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow eat. Eats. Hi Kylie. What you doing? Hi. Hi. You wanna go in your bed? Oh, she's just gonna rub it. You're very cute. Little Kylie. Kitty meow.